Okay, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the imperfection in crystal structure. In previous lecture, we studied about the crystal structure, its classification, its systems, and under the topic, the lattice parameter, the lattice constant, again the cubic structure, how it is look like, and again we studied about the atomic packing factor and average number of atoms for the respective topic. Now, today we are dealing with the imperfection of the uh, uh, crystal structure. But while or before going through the imperfection in the crystal structure, we revise that what is crystal structure, as we know that the crystal structure is nothing but a unique arrangement of atom, and unique arrangement of atom. But in somehow or in some cases, what happen? The structure is rarely perfect in order. So the crystallographic study indicates that there are some defects in the atomic. There are some defects in the atomic structure of the atom or the crystal structure. So that defects are called as the imperfection in the crystal structure. Now, these defects can be caused due to the metal formation during the metal formation or metal forming and metal treatment process, means like heat treatment or the hardening treatment or tempering treatment or normalizing, analyzing, tempering, mal tempering. All these are the heat treatment types. While going through this treatment, the imperfection happens in the metal. Now, these there are so many defects like a lattice vibration, means if we go through the chart, the type of imperfection and subtype of imperfection, that time we draw one chart under it. Now there are, I draw a chart over here to classify the imperfection of the crystal structure. Here, the types are, first is lattice vibration. The main type is lattice vibration, and the subtype of it is not present. Now, the second is point defect. Point defect has a vacancy, A type, subtype, vacancy, self-interstitial defect. Third one is substitutional impurity. And the fourth one is a interstitial impurity. These are the four subtypes under the point defect. Means there must be a defect in a point, in a single point. Now, in a line defect, means there should be a line defect, huge line defect in the metal, like edge dislocation. Means edge is dislocated. Screw dislocation means it is look like a screw. So it is called as a screw dislocation. These are the two subtype of the line defect, that is edge defect and edge dislocation and screw dislocation. Now, the fourth type is a surface defects, means there is a whole surface is defected or dislocation or the impurity about the order of the atoms. Now, the surface defect is subdivided into grain boundary, twin boundary, stacking fault, and low angle boundary. These are the four subtype of imperfections in the crystal structure. Now, if we talk about the lattice vibration, now what is lattice vibration? This is the defect arising due to the vibration of the atom. Means, in that case, the atom is continuously in vibration condition, and due to, but the atoms are not in stationary. Means rather they are vibrating continuously about their mean position. So the frequency of this vibration depends on the temperature and density of the material. Now, what are the effects of the lattice vibrations on the properties of the metal? Lattice vibration effects are electrical resistance, again the specific heat, magnetic and thermal properties should be changed over here as compared to the other metal. Now, the second topic is a point defect. In the point defect, the subtopic is the vacancy. Now, the heading tells itself about the definition, or you may recognize the definition of the heading by means of its meaning. Vacancy. If you observe the diagram, what is crystal structure definition? That the specific arrangement of the atom is called as the crystal structure. But if you observe the first row that is having the atoms in the specific order, but in the second row there is a missing atom over here. Missing atom in the second row in the third column. So that missing atom is nothing but the vacancy of the atom, or it is the defect arising uh, in the point defect, right? So it is called as the vacancy. It is occur during the plastic deformation. You know about the plastic deformation, means if plastic deformation of the material during the solidification process, right? Again, you can say about vacancy that it is a defect arising due to the missing of an atom from its design or designated position. Means the fixed position of the atom, there is an absentee of that atom is present over there. That type of defect is called as the vacancy of the atom. Now, second subtopic under the point defect is self-interstitial defect. See, I read it again or repeat it. Self-interstitial defect means selfly replaced or selfly arise in between. Or you may say that when an atom leaves its designated position and located in the interstitial side, means in between the gap of the arrangement of atom, and that type of defect is called as the self-interstitial defect, right? Got it? Now, it is also occur during the plastic deformation of the atom. Now see, the second type is interstitial impurity under the point defect. If you observe the diagram, I draw one simple arrangement of atoms over here of the crystal structure, and one pink colored atom is located in between the gap of the arrangement of the crystal atoms. And that type of means you may say that if the foreign atom is located in between the gap of the arrangement of the atoms, that kind of defect is called as the interstitial impurity. Or you may say that when the foreign atom gets located in the interstitial site or the position of the atomic structure, and this type of defect occurred in the referred to as a interstitial impurity defect. And also the additional foreign atom increases that in the density of the atom structure, hence there are increase in the strength, there is increment in the strength and hardness of the metal. Now the next is substitutional impurity or some substitutional defect in the point defect. Now if you observe the diagram, there is a regular arrangement of atom, and one foreign atom with a pink color is substituted in between the regular position of the atom. That kind of defect is called as the substitutional impurity of the metal or of the crystal. Now, what are the effects of this point defect on the metal properties? Now, if we observe that it is a distortion of a lattice structure, means it is nothing but the distortion of the lattice structure, due to which the hardness of that metal and strength of that metal got increased, and it is beneficial to material or metal. Now, second is what which increase the electrical resistance, which increase the electrical resistance power of the metal, and that is very beneficial for the electrical work. And again, This vacancy is created by missing atom after the kinetic of the phase diffusion transformation within the materials. These are some effects of the point defect on the metal or material. Thank you.